Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Pyramid Point. Now this is a luxury development in Ocho, Rios, and the developer who built this development is also doing the Parasitiac Beach Club in Richmond. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Pyramid Point stands as one of the most attractive modern residential communities on Jamaica's north coast, offering a blend of contemporary living, resort-style amenities, and sweeping views of the Caribbean Sea. Located just minutes above Ocho Rios, the community has quickly become a symbol of the island's evolving residential landscape, one that prioritizes comfort, beauty, and modern convenience. At the center of the development is Manukai Development Company Limited, the Jamaican firm behind the planning and construction of Pyramid Point. Manukai is known for designing suburban housing communities that cater to both local buyers and members of the diaspora seeking to reconnect with home. With Pyramid Point, the company envisioned a lifestyle community, one that integrates modern architecture with the natural charm of Jamaica's tropical environment. Pyramid Point consists primarily of two-bedroom and three-bedroom single-family homes, designed with a contemporary Caribbean aesthetic. The homes feature open-concept layouts, high ceilings, modern kitchens with quartz countertops, elegant bathrooms, and large windows that welcome natural light. Clean architectural lines, durable construction materials, and an emphasis on efficient space make each residence suitable for both full-time living and vacation use. Beyond the homes themselves, Pyramid Point is defined by the lifestyle it creates. The community includes a large infinity swimming pool overlooking the Ocho Rios coast, a clubhouse, a fitness center, and recreational facilities such as tennis and multipurpose courts. Children's play areas, landscape green spaces, and walking paths add to the relaxed, family-friendly environment. The gated design with 24-hour security provides residents with peace of mind while still maintaining an inviting open-air atmosphere. In every aspect, from design to location, amenities to execution, Pyramid Point represents a thoughtful approach to community building. Manukai Development Company's vision has resulted in a residential enclave that captures the best of contemporary Jamaican living, providing a peaceful yet connected environment for families and individuals alike. As Ocho Rios continues to grow, Pyramid Point stands out as one of the region's most desirable addresses, blending luxury, comfort, and the timeless allure of the Caribbean coast. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.